Hello. Right, today we're off to West Midlands Safari Park. There's a new addition they've got to what they offer. It's a truck tour, so we're going to do that. See you in a bit.
Count those for their different species, and these guys like being the biggest. Now these guys have lots of markings. They have what look like scratches on their sides, like lion scratches. They have dots on their front legs. They have a thing under their chin called a dewlap. No fruit, and they need about 20,000 calories a day, so they have to maintain that by eating as much grass as possible. Your fingernails trimmed, and they maintain them, and they do grow back about 3 inches a year. The little one over here on the left, the one closest to us is known as Malika, and her mother is Cheetah. I think they're heading over to where the old lion used to be. There's Cheetah, you see she has one large one, and that one over there is Henry. On the right, he's looking for something to eat. That cage there. And we have also the blackbuck. Now the ostriches, they can all grow to about 9 feet high. Are from the Outer Hebrides, and they have the special talent. See their big ears. I've only seen it from a second. So apologies for that. We're going in the trees on the right hand side, at the bottom of the rock to keep it cool. This rock is the highest vantage point. These guys like sleeping up there. In here they'll sleep about 10 to 12 hours a day. In the wild they can sleep up to 18 hours. Cats different from the wild dogs. These guys won't eat anything unless they've killed it first. And you may find that if you have a pet cat at home, they'll sometimes bring you a mouse or a bird or a frog, but it will still be alive, and what they're trying to do is to show you the bird. And as I say, you can see there is a medium-sized antelope, and can run at about 25 miles an hour. You will see one of them, he's got yellow tape on the top of his horns. There are corks underneath there, and he keeps chasing everything that we put in here. So he had 2 pupils in each eye, joined by a little bar, so reminiscent of a barbell, and they can see almost. They do look very, very cute. But stroke one of those, you never play the violin again. Underneath there, and just about to start eating now. You see under his nose, he's got a little finger and thumb, and so he can pull the grass towards him. A little proboscis there. These guys in this enclosure here, we have Rap's sister-in-law. She's in the pond here. It looks a bit green at the moment. I won't tell you. rainy and sunny up the top there. Over down. These little guys, where are they? Oh, there's a couple of the majority are on the left hand side after the male who has a black head. So we can't have any males if we did. It's breeding each and every one of these Joe and Blossom. Ideas look like the continent of Africa. They are part of our... They're all chilling out at the moment in the sun. And you can come to this little gantry on the left hand side as to feed the giraffes late on this afternoon.
Welcome to our twilight day. Please be aware that facts and service exhibits are free flying. After walking through our cafe today, please make sure to clean your hands using the disinfectant hand gel provided. And also make sure you wash your hands at the earliest available opportunity. Thank you. Walking through our back cave today, please make sure to clean your hands with our disinfectant hand gel provided. And also make sure you wash your hands at the earliest available opportunity. Thank you.
Years been boxing. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, we did the truck safari. It's extra 12 quid each on top of the admission. Which is 17 quid, something like that. It's well worth it if you don't want to stress your car out, especially in the queues that are around here. It's absolutely crazy, and today it's rammed. And with the heat and everything, all you can smell is burning clutch. But yeah, the truck thing's absolutely great. It really is. But as for the animals today, they're all hiding because it's too hot. Yeah, they probably come around the other side.
Why they fence?
Work with these guys on a daily basis. We do have a small talk now if you do want to listen. If not, feel free to hang around and completely ignore me. Just watch the hippos. They are a lot more important. But welcome to West Midlands Safari Park. Like I said, my name's Honor. I'm one of the keepers here. I work with a whole load of animals. So if you do have any questions about any of the hoofed animals that you've seen around the safari park, please come and feel free. They will eat hay and straw, and in the wild they would eat a whole load of pond weeds and grass weeds that would be lying around the rivers that they bathe in. So we try and replicate that diet as much as possible. We give them a bale of hay each every morning and every evening. Then they also get pellet on top of that, a whole kilo. Basically just round up minerals and vitamins shoved into a pellet and stuck on top of their food. And then also twice a day they get this cabbage thrown in so that you guys can come and see them. Most of their time they do spend underwater.
And that's what you get for 32 quid.
Kamil, bo oni poszli już tam. A co tam jest?
Yeah, dude.
I can't even feel. Should be sat on his back.
Should.
You're coming home with us. Why that lady likes his neck locked.
I'm gonna hide up there.
Yeah. There's a couple. Dude. Hold on, babe, I'm just trying to do everything.
on. Log on. I've got one on my ears, all over. You just sliding then.
Well, we've just come out the safari park. Is it worth it? 18 quid each and then £12 each to go on the truck tour. The truck tour is definitely worth it if you want to save your car, because the amount of cars we saw broken down, well, overheated around the park, God, there must have been about 30. Apart from that, it's all right. It's there's not that many animals here though, to be fair. But we have been here about 5 hours, haven't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been a good day. Bye.